bust that pussy open for a real one. She call me a baby like I'm still one. They say love's like a BBL. You won't know if it's real until you feel one. Can I feel it? Can I feel it? Can I feel it? Can I feel one? Can I feel it? Can I feel it? Can I feel it? Sometimes I think to myself, what if I was somebody else? Would your ass still be here? What if I had a CDL, even at an STL, on the way to ATL in a big 18-wheel? Would your ass still be here? Would your ass still be here? Would you love Ed like you love Drake? Love Fred like you love Drake? Love Greg like you love Drake? Love said like you love Drake? Thought you said that you love Drake? Thought you said that you love Drake? Thought you said, hey, your man brought you to the Drake show. Front row, paid all cash. Dressed up to the nines, girl, showing all titties, showing all ass. Looking at me like a single, looking like you got a hot pass. Better take your ass home tonight and let it man like you say you love Drake. I'm a well-known player, I'm a well-known trick. I'm as well-known guest with a loan.
Never like me in your life. Bow, 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 bow. That's that booty me. Hey, 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 look at them booties.
What don't you see? You're not tempting, and I know you're not the one for me.
Us some hoes still waiting on a gift. Guess them hoes still believing same nigga. Yeah, I'm a saint, I Franklin Saint a bitch. I don't know what you thought this was, baby girl, but that ain't this. I don't know who said you was slick. Now my uncle, that was slick. I don't know who said you was thick. Now see, that girl thick. Nah, I ain't name dropping. I'm just game dropping. I'm just plain hopping out and
You act like you need a mind, trying to do it over, bring it back and rewind forever. You never see my point of view. Our connection is so severed. You don't show no effort.
I ain't name dropping, I'm just game dropping. I'm just plain hopping out and hopping in. You gon' have to run that top again. These boys praying I don't drop again.
Niggas been counting me out, but counting my bullets, loading my clips, I'm writing down names, I'm making a list, I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit. The game is off balance, I'm back on my shit. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it. You all on my dick, I'm all in my bag, it's hard as it get. I do not store powder, I might take a sip, I might hit the blunt, but I'm liable to trip. I ain't popping no pill, but you do as you wish. I roll with some fiends, I love them to death. I got a few mil, but not all of them rich. What good is the bread if my niggas is broke? What good is first class if my niggas can't sit? That's my next mission, that's why I can't quit. Just like LeBron, get my niggas more chips. Just put the rollie right back on my wrist. This watch came from Drizzy, he gave me a gift. Back when the rap game was praying like this. To act like two legends cannot coexist. But I never beef with a nigga for nothing. If I smoke a rapper, it's gon' be legit. It won't be for clout, it won't be for fame. It won't be cause my shit ain't selling the same. It won't be to sell you my latest little sneakers. It won't be cause some niggas slid in my lane. Everything grows, it's destined to change. I love you little niggas, I'm glad that you came. I hope that you scrape every dollar you gain. I hope you know money won't erase the pain. To the OGs, I'm thanking you now. Was watching you when you was paving the ground. I copied your cadence, I mirrored your style. I studied the greats, I'm the greatest right now. Fuck if you feel me, you ain't got a choice. I ain't do no promo, still made all that noise. The shit gon' be different, I set my intentions. I promise to slap all that hate out your voice. Niggas been counting me out, I'm counting my bullets, I'm loading my clips, I'm writing down names, I'm making a list, I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit. The game is off balance, I'm back on my shit. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it, you all on my dick. I just poured something in my cup. I've been wanting something I can feel. Promise I am never letting up. Money in your palm don't make you rich. Put it on their neck, I got them stuck. I'ma give them something they can feel. If it ain't about the swat, don't give a fuck. Pistol in your hand, I'm dead in the middle. Two generations, I'm little bro and big bro all at once. Just left the lab with young 21 Savage. I'm about to go and meet Jigga for lunch. Had a long talk with the young nigga Kodak. Reminded me of young niggas from Phil. Straight out the project, no fake it, just honest. I wish that he had more guidance for real. Too many niggas in cycle of jail, spending their birthdays inside of a cell. We coming from a long bloodline of trauma. We raised by our mamas, Lord, we gotta heal. We hurting our sisters, the babies as well. We killing our brothers, they poison the well. Distorted self-image, we set them to fail. I'ma make sure that the real gon' prevail, nigga. I just poured something in my cup. I've been wanting something I can feel. Promise I am never letting up. Money in your palm don't make you rich. Put it on their neck, I got them stuck. I'ma give them something they can feel. If it ain't about the swat, don't give a fuck. Pistol in your hand don't make you real.
Running away from guess it's time to go. I ain't gotta let you go. I'm sorry. You keep me open. Gotta let you go. Gotta let you go. I ain't gotta let you go. I must. You're the only one that's holding me down. You're the only one holding me down. 'Cause I'm the only one that's holding me down.
Stolen and reworked.
Just like the F word, how you say it so?
Poppin' shit, you would think I went to school for chiropractic. Looking good as hell today, just in my nigga foul. Tell it, why'd you come from me about a nigga? Man, you bitch bad. They come at me about niggas who I don't even find a track. I don't know that nigga, I just seen them on the town before. I can't be up in her face, I took her nigga down before. When I lose a nigga, I just pop out and go find some more. Soon as I feel like my time get wasted, then it's time to go. They say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me. Just like the F word, how you say it so with me. Them bitches should've stayed down, they could've been up to me. But all they doing is talking down, 'cause they can't get up with me. My ex fucking on my old friend, both they ass some funny clowns. Thinking that she got one up on me, she got my hand down. He thought he wasn't gon' have to stand on shit like he was handicapped. Made that nigga stand on it, now his ass can't stand me now. High as fuck, I'm lit, yup, I don't smoke no switch-ups. Slime with my gang and them, look at them like sisters. Bitches be letting they go outside about these niggas. I don't wanna hang with them, they don't have no business. They be going for anything, but I can't go for none of it. Why would I go chase you if I know you gon' come running back? Cut everybody else, they been feeling like the lumberjack. They really get me fucked up, and now I'm going for none of that. She the type that nigga make her mad, she going too soon. Me, I'm kinda ratchet still, so I'm the type to piss on. I can't love you, baby, like your bitch do, so don't leave her. You gon' choose her every time, 'cause it's you for the keep her. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow.
Riding with my twin and on, and we all look good as fuck. She said she my eye, but I don't know her. Had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can't help it, bitch. I'm good as fuck. I've been on these bitches next so long, sometimes I fucking stuck. I can put you in my business. You might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on this today, sing every word of up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got kids open. Keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Play with me today, then get some sleep. You know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's why my friend fucked on your nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think that should scissor. She bought a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know I got a trigger. I don't speak dog ho, I don't care what no bitch say. I stay on her mind, I got condos in that bitch head. She said she don't fuck with me, who say that you can't hold? That nigga munchin', he gon' eat me like a mango. Long ass dick, it be tickling my ass crack. Wonder what I do tomorrow that these hoes will be mad at. Oh yeah, bitches sweet, and I always get my lick back. I thought for my bitches and I'm fighting over dick.
Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow.
We've been busy at work all day.
You don't really wanna be my lady. You know it's more than just driving Mercedes. These hoes gon' call and drive you crazy. They just tryna can't have my baby. My block too hot to have a lady. My block too hot. Detectives, they investigate. They just want no hesitate. If you can't get to me, then try my baby. It's a party all night. So like when no one around, I'm coming down. Still high, still high.
It's for rent, you will take all day long, but we still have tomorrow.
You don't really wanna be my lady. You don't know it's more than just driving Mercedes. I'm gon' call and drive you crazy. They crazy, can't have my baby. My blood too hot to have a lady. My blood too hot, they investigate. So I no hesitate. Can't get you me to try my baby.
It's your body, let it out all night. Sunlight, when no one around, and I'm coming down. But still high, still right. It's for rent, you're all all day long, but we still have tomorrow. You should've never knew. Yeah, I got too much I could lose. Be careful who you choose, 'cause this ain't like the life you have with your dude. And if you don't like being alone at night, then maybe I'm not your type.
You don't really wanna be my lady. You don't know it's more than just driving Mercedes. So gon' call and drive you crazy. They just tryna, can't have my baby. My blood too hot to have a lady. My blood too hot, they investigate. So I no hesitate. Can't get you me to try my baby.
In the morning when you're not with me, I feel you in the depths of mind. I found it indeed. Coming through is all I ever want to do. I fall in the steps of human beings and it's all on you. Now it's up to you, 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 now it's on. I ain't trying to avoid things, but it's no one, this is mine.